Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to install PyCharm on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon Mac. This guide works for both. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PyCharm and press Enter. Click on the official JetBrains website from the results. I've also included the direct link in the video description below. On the download page, select the version for your Mac, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. You'll see a window open. Just drag the PyCharm icon into the Applications folder. Once copied, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Now open Finder, go to Applications, and find PyCharm. Double-click to launch it. If you get a message saying PyCharm was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Click Continue to move forward. If you already have a license, choose Activate and enter your details. If not, select Start Free Trial to explore PyCharm for free. And that's it. PyCharm is now installed on your Mac and ready to go. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech tutorials.